Buffalo, New York, this is Michael Trethart, International Technology Instructor. I want to let you know about a class that we have coming your way on August 8th. And this is going to be a powerful day. Starting in the morning session is going to be Discover Your Facebook Goldmine from 9 to 12. This is a hands-on workshop. Bring your laptop, be ready to work, and you will also be ready to generate a tremendous amount of business. I've had agents in this class generate 63 listings in 1 hour for one agent, an $8.25 million buyer in 30 minutes. And I had another agent just a couple months ago get 647 leads in 10 minutes. Do not want to miss that class. Then we'll take our lunch break. We'll come back in the afternoon session and we'll talk about Become Google Great. I'm going to show you some techniques in Google that will bump up your annual income by an extra $100,000. So I've got agents that are doing that all across the United States and Canada, and it costs them nothing to do so. So this is definitely a class that you guys want to attend. Discover Your Facebook Goldmine, Become Google Great, Wednesday, August 8th. To register, you're going to go to Michael Trethart, aug8.eventbrite.com. And the cost is only $55. I will see you guys next week.